Mineral deposits in jets cause weak but complete flushing with poor swirling, while trap blockages typically produce standing water and incomplete drainage. Mineral buildup forms gradually on small openings like rim jets and siphon jets, narrowing passages so toilet bowls, still empty but with reduced flow and a weak swirl. To diagnose, run a full flush and note whether the bowl clears completely but lacks force and rotational flow. Use a simple test. Pour a liter of water quickly into the bowl and watch whether the water exits fully but without the usual vortex motion. If it does, jets are the likely cause. Remove mineral scales by applying a white vinegar soak or a calcium descaler to the jet areas. Let it sit for up to an hour, scrub with a stiff brush or a dental pick for targeted scraping, and flush repeatedly to confirm restored flow. For preventative care, use a monthly light vinegar flush by filling the tank with diluted vinegar and running several cycles to reduce hardness buildup, and consider installing a water softening system if local water hardness is high, because that reduces the rate of scale formation. When jets are plastic molded and inaccessible, replace the affected rim or jet components rather than forcing aggressive mechanical cleaning that could crack parts. Follow manufacturer guidance for replacement parts and torque settings. Keep a simple maintenance log of cleaning dates and any observed flow changes so you can detect recurrence early and avoid more invasive repairs. Trap blockages are different because they physically block the drain path leading to standing water. Resolve them by using a toilet auger or removing the trap to clear accumulated waste, and avoid chemical drain cleaners that can damage seals and porcelain. A partial clog in the trap or downstream venting issues may cause slow draining rather than full standing water, so try plunging first and then snake the trap if plunging fails. Vent problems can mimic both issues by preventing adequate airflow, causing slow or gurgling drains. Inspect roof vents for bird nests or debris and clear them safely, or hire a technician if the vent is inaccessible. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors related to these plumbing concerns and share practical repair experiences. Our community discussion area lets us and other homeowners swap photos, troubleshooting tips, and referrals so everyone can make better repair decisions.